Hey everybody, hope this finds you doing well. Today we are going to talk about all the money that is flowing into the crypto market despite the downturn and the bear market that we're currently experiencing. There is still plenty of money, so-called smart money, that is flowing into the cryptocurrency space and the NFT space as well. So let's get into it. As usual, let's start with the charts. As you can see, Bitcoin is holding at around that 19,000 range. It dipped below 20 over the past week or so, and it got all the way down to 18,000, but it's gone back up to around 19 and it's kind of holding steady right there over the last couple of days. As you can see, it's been down over 3.5% over the last 7 days. And Ethereum, now that it has initiated the merge, which we talked about in a couple videos back, the merge is Ethereum is now going to be going from a proof of work platform to a proof of stake platform. So basically, it helps in terms of reducing the amount of energy that is used because you're no longer using those miners that's producing energy to validate transactions. Now we're going to proof of stake, meaning that nodes will now be replaced by stakeholders, and those who hold a certain amount of Ethereum will then be able to validate transactions on the Ethereum blockchain. So it's experiencing a little bit of a bump over the last 7 days. It was hovering at around 1,500 for a while. Now that the merge has officially been initiated, going on to the beacon chain, it has now gone up a certain number of percentage points, about 3.6 currently over the last 7 days. And there's a possibility that we could have a little bit more of a jump as the merge hopefully continues to run successfully. We'll go to the crypto slam.io for the NFT marketplace. We'll go through this quickly. As usual, you see Other Deed and Bored Ape Yacht Club is right there at the top of the charts. Ethereum name service also still continuing to produce lots and lots of sales. As you can see, over 2,300 transactions over the last 24 hours. And we're going to go and talk about Sorare. So Sorare, which made some news this past week, is an NFT platform where you can buy digital cards and play fantasy league type games and win NFTs and Ethereum. So Sorare has been very popular, been on the top of the charts for many months now, and they're continuing to churn in transactions. It's become a very popular game. They initially started with football, where you could get digital cards of your favorite football players. Football is one of the most popular, if not the most popular sport around the world. And you see here, they have now added the MLB. So you can now construct, as you see, 7-player lineups in the only officially licensed free-to-play NFT game of the Major League Baseball Association. And now, just recently, it was announced that they will now have NBA digital cards as well. They are coming to Sorare. And they plan on having this game and these NFTs set up by the start of the 2022-2023 NBA season. So as you can see here, you'll be able to collect digital cards, scout, collect, and trade officially licensed digital player cards. And as NFTs, these are cards that you would own on the blockchain. You can build lineups and enter contests and compete to win, to be able to earn weekly rankings and earn rewards. So a pretty cool thing that's happening as it's continuing to expand in the NFT space. Sorare is definitely doing its thing in the NFT marketplace. And now we're going to go to the money that is flowing into the NFT marketplace. Flow blockchain continues to come hit after hit. Flow blockchain earlier this year had raised over $725 million from A16Z, which we'll get into in a moment, as well as DCG and others. And they have built the NBA Top Shot, which we have seen on the Crypto Slam rankings. As you see here, it's number 21. They recently came out with NFL All Day, which you see here is also in the rankings for the top NFT sales volume. And they have continued to expand upon its blockchain, and its backers include, as we mentioned, A16Z, which is known as Andreessen Horowitz, and Dapper Ventures. So it's going to continue to build amongst that ecosystem that has already started with NBA Top Shot was the first initial game that was built on top of Flow blockchain. Then we had UFC Strike, NFL All Day, and there is more to come. As you can see here, they are hosting avatar platform genies to kid-centric NFTs from Zigazoo, and it has evolved into an open, decentralized platform for more Web3 applications. So they are getting nearly $1 billion to quote unquote play with and create a larger ecosystem. And it's doing very well, as we can see from the Crypto Slam rankings. Top Shot and NFL All Day is continuing to churn transactions day over day. So far, it seems like this has been a great investment for some of these venture capital firms. A16Z, one of the top crypto venture capital firms in the world. As you can see here in the first sentence, they are a venture capital fund that invests in crypto and Web3 startups. They had announced a $4.5 billion fourth round. So this is their fourth round of funding, bringing their total funds raised to more than $7.6 billion. This is just crypto. They also venture into other types of technology businesses, but they are so enamored with the cryptocurrency space that they are going to put in $7.6 billion. That's how much they're putting their money where their mouth is, because they believe in the space. And as you can see here, they talk about the modern internet, and they believe that the next phase is what we call Web3, the third era of the internet, which combines the decentralized, community-governed ethos of the first era with the advanced modern functionality of the second era. This will unlock a new wave of creativity and entrepreneurship. And that's why we want to reach out to you and connect with you so we can all learn as much as we can about this amazing technology and what the future holds. Actually, the future is here. The future is now. The cryptocurrency space continues to grow. It's just under $1 trillion right now as a whole, but we believe in due time it will be 2 trillion, then 3 trillion, then 5 trillion, then 10 trillion, and you'll start to see the market grow over and over and over year. And it's time now to get in, or at least learn as much as we can now, and then make decisions and make diligent decisions as to whether or not we're going to continue to invest and what projects to invest in as this space continues to grow. Another NFT project that is also at the top of the charts, Moonbirds. The NFT collective Proof, which is the team behind Moonbirds, raised $50 million in a funding round, as you can see, led by A16Z, also known as Andreessen Horowitz. And now we go to Yuga Labs, the biggest NFT project out there right now. They are the team behind Bored Ape Yacht Club, behind Mutant Ape Yacht Club, behind Other Deeds. They acquired CryptoPunks. They acquired Meebits. They are the biggest in the NFT space currently. As you can see, they raised a seed round at a $4 billion valuation. And as we saw back on the NFT rankings, Yuga Labs basically runs this town. From Other Deed to Bored Ape Yacht Club to Mutant Ape Yacht Club to CryptoPunks. I mean, these are all in the top 20, two of them in the top 5, and that's consistent day over day over day. So they continue to churn in money, and they have continued to bring value to their NFT holders. Pinata, which is a up-and-coming NFT media-focused platform, raised $21.5 million in funding, and they plan on building out their media infrastructure to support NFT marketplaces, metaverses, Web3 apps, and other crypto projects. FTX, one of the largest crypto exchanges in the world, their CEO leads Trustless Media's seed round to help build another as you can see, Web3 media platform. This is for Web3 shows. Trustless Media is a company that plans to, let's see here, their goal is to not just make money through selling NFTs. It hopes to attract really good partners and a community to build out Web3 shows. So the production company will roll out its first NFT show called Coinage in the fall and plans to focus on exploring crypto's biggest stories with a skeptical lens. So they're starting to build out a media company just focused on Web3 and NFTs. As you can see, the tea leaves are right in front of us, ladies and gentlemen. Money is flowing into the space and they're building the infrastructure from media, not only just the actual product, but now it's about how do we present it to the world. And so that's what Pinata is working on. That's what Trustless Media is working on. 776, which is a firm that has been co-founded by Alex Ohanian. He's also known as Serena Williams' husband. He was also a co-founder of Reddit. So he's been in the tech space for a long time, and they're fundraising a lot of money when it comes to the cryptocurrency and Web3 space. The venture capital firm currently has 56 portfolio companies, including Yuga Labs, the creators behind, as we mentioned, Bored Ape Yacht Club, and they have upwards of $900 million of gross assets. And they plan on buying now. Everything is on sale. So we need to learn sell high, buy low. Everything's down right now, so they're trying to buy low. So they're raising as much money as they can so they can buy low. So hopefully in the next 3, 5, 7 years, they will have a massive return on investment. That's ROI. Singapore's Temasek aims 100 million at metaverse giant Animoca Brands. Animoca Brands started off in Hong Kong as a game studio and now have become the largest blockchain investment unit in Asia, with over 340 portfolio companies, including top metaverse plays, the Sandbox and Decentraland. So those of us who are a little bit more familiar in the NFT space, the Sandbox and Decentraland are probably the two biggest and well-known metaverse plays currently based solely on the blockchain. As everything else, their cryptocurrency has pulled back in this bear market, but they're continuing to build. Snoop Dogg has built a game and has built NFT avatars to work in the Sandbox, and Decentraland has raised a ton of money as they continue to build out their metaverse as well. So, as you can see, there's plenty of money that is going into the NFT and cryptocurrency space. When you have venture capital funds like Andreessen Horowitz, which has over 28 billion in assets under management, and as you saw, has 7.6 billion dedicated just to the cryptocurrency and Web3 space, we see that the so-called smart money is moving full steam ahead into crypto and Web3. And that's what we are doing, and we hope that you join us. Thank you so much for watching. We look forward to connecting with you soon. We look forward to linking up with you soon here on the Networkchain. In the meantime, take care. Bye-bye.